Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for honest reviews, expert insights, and all things beauty. Today, we're diving into a skincare essential that many of us have considered but might hesitate to use, the JPNK Blackhead Remover Tool Comedones Extractor Acne Removal Kit. This 6-piece kit promises to tackle blackheads, acne, and blemishes, all while keeping your skin smooth and scar-free. Let's break it all down and see if it lives up to the hype. The JPNK Blackhead Remover Kit features 6 stainless steel tools, each designed to address specific skin concerns like blackheads, whiteheads, and blemishes. With a professionally crafted anti-slip handle, the tools are built for precise and controlled use, minimizing the risk of skin damage. Everything is conveniently housed in a sleek leather case, making it easy to store at home or take on the go. It's a compact, travel-friendly solution that fits snugly in a bathroom drawer or handbag. Now, let's talk about my experience with this kit. Setting it up was straightforward, no assembly required, just grab the tool you need and go. I tested the kit on common problem areas like the nose and chin, where blackheads tend to cluster. The anti-slip handles were genuinely effective, giving me a secure grip, which made the process more controlled and less intimidating. The tools were sharp enough to be effective, but didn't feel overly harsh on the skin when used carefully. However, as with any tool, technique is key. Misuse could lead to redness or irritation, so I'd recommend watching a tutorial or reading up on proper methods before diving in. Here's the rundown on pros and cons. Pros: made from rust-resistant stainless steel, ensuring durability. Anti-slip handles provide excellent control during use. Comes with a compact leather case for easy storage and portability. Includes a variety of tools for different types of blemishes. Cons: requires some skill to use effectively, so beginners might need practice. Can cause redness or irritation if not handled with care. Not ideal for severe acne or deeply embedded blemishes. Those may require professional treatment. Midway reminder: beauty lovers, if you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon for more beauty tips and reviews. Trust me, your skincare routine will thank you. Now, let's talk value. At its price point, this kit offers a good balance of quality and functionality. The stainless steel construction and leather case feel premium, especially compared to cheaper alternatives made of plastic. However, keep in mind that this isn't a miracle worker. It's a toolkit, and its effectiveness depends largely on proper usage and technique. Compared to similar products on the market, the JPNK kit holds its own. Some kits offer more tools or include instructional guides, but they often come at a higher cost. On the flip side, cheaper kits might lack the precision or durability of this one. The build quality here is solid. The stainless steel tools feel sturdy and well-made, and the leather case is a nice touch for keeping everything organized. While I can't comment on long-term durability just yet, the materials suggest that this kit will last with proper care. Customer support wasn't something I needed to rely on, but it's reassuring to see the company encouraging users to reach out with questions. That kind of transparency suggests a level of confidence in their product. If you're considering alternatives, there are cheaper kits available, but they often sacrifice quality for cost. If you're looking for something similar, make sure to prioritize stainless steel tools and check for reviews on durability. So what's the final verdict? The JPNK Blackhead Remover Kit is a solid choice for those who want an at-home solution for blackheads and blemishes. It's well-made, easy to store, and delivers results when used correctly. However, it's best suited for individuals with mild to moderate skin concerns and a willingness to learn proper techniques. If that sounds like you, this kit might just become your new skincare staple. Thanks for sticking around with Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the comments box below. If you've already tried this kit, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep your glow game strong, and remember, here at Beautyistic, beauty isn't just skin deep, it's a way of life. See you soon!